USDCHF today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now subscribe, like and share, and let's start the analysis with the weekly time frame. That's the top down approach. Weekly we are going up. We will go up. It's quite visible to me. So daily chart. Daily is this. This is your this was your down move, but then we are starting a new uptrend. Okay, so this pullback which you see, all these blue candles, they are more than 78%. Okay, so when the trend happens down or up more than 78%, that's a new trend. So this is your new uptrend. Pullback, bullish engulfing, rejection from the EMA, that's your entry. Coming back to 4 hour again here. So I think this was your entry, pullback, this was your entry. So too many entries. USD CHF, look for longs only. Okay, we know this coming week starting from tomorrow. For USD CHF, look for longs. Bye bye. Subscribe, like, share, and take care. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video, and if you want to copy my exact swing trades coming this week with precise entry timing, with take profit, with stop loss, then check out the first link below the video. Yes, if you want to copy the exact trades or the swing setups I am interested in for this coming week, make sure you check out the first link below the video, and I'll see you on the other side.